Jason DeGuzman here with the engineering department, here to show you how to use the Trutest smoke sensitivity tester. I'm going to hit on. Before you start, you have to make sure you enter the maximum and minimum of the detector that you're testing. I'm going to show you how to set that up. I'm going to click on setup. I'm going to hit on change. You could enter 18 different types of smoke detectors here. I'm going to start by adding a Firelight SD 350. So I'm going to type in 18, which is the max. And then as you can see here, it says no name 18. I'm going to hit enter. And then as you can see where it says no name, there's an arrow right there. So that's the cursor. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit enter. And then I'm just going to type in SD 350. So right now it's on, the cursor is on N. So I'm going to move it closer so you could see. So S, enter, D, enter, and we go 3, enter, 5, and I'll just blank out everything else. Oops, sorry. I had to move the cursor. So this is still kind of archaic, so I gotta get rid of the E underscore. Oh, sorry. All right, now I'm going to move the cursor to minimum. Now on a SD 350 Firelight smoke detector, the first minimum is 1, so I'm going to leave it as 1. The maximum percent is 3.66. So I'm going to type in 366. This is not an ion detector, so I'm going to change ion to photoelectric. The next one is it low profile or high profile? I'm going to leave it as a low profile. And then the next one is called a slow ramp. You could choose either fast ramp or slow ramp. Slow ramp takes longer, but it's more accurate. So you have a choice between slow ramp or fast ramp. I'm going to leave it as a slow ramp. And hit exit, and it's saving. So right now, 18 is for an SD 350 smoke detector. Once you have the detector sensitivity range, you're able to test. I'm going to go ahead and choose the detector. I'm going to hit setup. I'm going to recall setup. I'm going to type in 018. Let's say, for example, we're testing a Firelight SD 350. I'm going to hit enter. I'm going to verify its minimum is 1 and the max is 3.66, low profile. We're going to use a slow ramp. I'm going to hit enter. And then as you can see, it says press start to test, and starts right here. Jason DeGuzman here with the engineering department, here to show you how to use this Trutest smoke sensitivity tester. Again, you're not going to use this on Firelight panels, notifier, because you could look into the chamber rating in the programming, and on system sensor, you're going to use the wand to test the detector. I already told you how to enroll the smoke sensitivity settings in this unit. So I'm going to go hit on. I'm going to choose the system sensor. That's what we're going to use for this example. It says the minimum is 1, maximum is 4. I'm going to place the Trutest on this detector. It's going to take a few minutes. I'm going to hit start. What's happening is the fan is cleaning and resetting the sensor. So it's counting down 6 seconds. It's still resetting. Two seconds, 1. So what you're hearing now is that thump. The machine is pressing the canister smoke and it's pumping in smoke into this chamber above. If you look in your screen, you'll see the percentage at the chamber. So right now the reading's at 0.05%. And it's just going to keep on pumping smoke into the chamber above. You're going to stop it when the smoke detector goes into alarm. And then whatever percent it's at, you record it and you put in your paperwork. So we're just going to hold this, could be for a few minutes, so it's good. It's a good workout. We'll know that the smoke detector is in alarm because the sounder will trip. So right now it's at 1.34%. It's within the range. The minimum, again, for this smoke detector is 1, and the max is 4%. And you can find that information on the back of that smoke detector head. So right now it's at 1.52%. So right now the reading is 1.91. Now it's over 2%, 2.12. So right now it's at 3. Alright, now the smoke's in alarm. I'm going to hit stop. And now it says the reading is at detectors pass. The reading is 3.42%. It's clearing out the smoke. And then right when it says 51%, then it will say remove the Trutest. That's how you test a smoke using the Trutest smoke sensitivity tester.